Successful people understand that time is a non-renewable resource. They prioritize their tasks, focusing first on those with the highest impact. They break down larger tasks into manageable chunks, making it easier to tackle them. Using tools like planners and calendars, they organize their days, weeks, and months to ensure they stay on top of their responsibilities. They believe in continuous learning. They read widely and often, soaking up knowledge from various fields. They take advantage of online courses, webinars, and workshops to stay up to date with the latest developments in their industry. They also learn from their mistakes and view failures as opportunities for growth. They are adept at networking. They understand that success is not a solo journey. They build and maintain relationships with diverse groups of people. They collaborate with others, share ideas, and seek advice when needed. They are not afraid to step out of their comfort zones to meet new people and explore new opportunities. They understand the importance of a healthy work-life balance. They set boundaries to ensure they have time for rest and relaxation. They engage in hobbies and activities that rejuvenate them. They take care of their physical health by eating right and exercising regularly. They also prioritize their mental health, taking time out for mindfulness and meditation. They have a positive mindset. They believe in their abilities and are not afraid to take risks. They set realistic yet challenging goals for themselves and work diligently to achieve them. They remain optimistic in the face of adversity and bounce back quickly from setbacks. To summarize, the secrets of successful people lie in effective time management, continuous learning, adept networking, maintaining a healthy work-life balance, and fostering a positive mindset. These are not innate traits, but skills that can be learned and honed over time. So no matter where you are in your journey, it's never too late to start implementing these tips and tricks. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who work for it.